Hi guys, my name is Akshay. I am a mechanical engineer. If you don't know, Solidworks is worldwide used software in various sectors, from rocket science to furniture design. In this tutorial, we are going to learn Solidworks 2017 from basic to advanced. I am pretty interested to share you my knowledge through this tutorial, so stay tuned. First thing first, just go into the Start menu and search for Solidworks. So this is our SolidWorks welcome window. At the top side, few shortcuts options are available as in any other softwares, and two more options are available. This new is one to create a new document, and this open is to opening any existing document. And their little gear option is available to setting up your preference. We will see this in detail later. For now, just go and click this new menu. One another window pop-ups that's showing three documents available in SolidWorks. First one is part. In part, we can design any single component or a part, while in assembly, we can make an assembly of these parts, like two or more parts we can assemble over it and give them a relations. In drawing, we can make the CAD drawing of part as well as assembly. Now just click on this part and click OK and jump into the SolidWorks user interface. So this is our SolidWorks user interface. At the top hand side, you can see the command manager where all the features and tools are available. The small tabs gives us the opportunity to switch between them. If you want to add more tools to your command manager, just right click over this tab and you can just add it. For now, I just uncheck and I don't want this to be shown. So now that three tabs are available: Features, Sketch and Evaluates. Most of the time you are going to be using Features and Sketch. Some of these features are not available and so they are grayed out because at this current situation we have not drawn anything in the window, so they are currently inactive. As we move on and make our first model, so they will just get active and we can use them. On the left hand side, we are available with the document property, in which the first one is design tree, where you can find your planes. These are the basic planes as front plane, top plane, right plane and this origin. And as you make your first model and sketching, so this all the history will be written over here and you can just make it forward or backward so that it will go and suppress on. We will look into it deeper as we move on in further videos. Next, we are available with this property manager. It is mostly used in the assembly document where you can just click on any one of the part and look after its property. Configuration is an advanced tool. For now, you just make sure that this is used for making the multiple configuration of a single part. Dim Expert is used for showing the dimension and tolerance, whereas this appearance is used for adding the colors, textures and showing the walkthrough and adding slides, camera and scenes. We will see all this tool in detail as we move on. On the right hand side, we are available this fly out. Just click over here. These are some basic tutorials available by SolidWorks, and this one is SolidWorks tool. Just have a look. When you open it, just go into the property tab builder and just see that how they are used. And this is the community where you can just post your any reviews or doubt, and also you can make your own committee so that you can join to as many as people using SolidWorks. And the next, this is a design library where you can make your own design and create your own library. Also, this toolbar is available so that you can just use their tool directly in your designs. This one is the file explorer of SolidWorks, and this one is drawing part, which is used in drawing document, and this is the appearance scene where you can add your part with the scenes such as the steels, glass, plastic, and you can make them feel like in real. And have their original view value. And this one is the custom properties, like giving it a standard number and revisions value and what exactly the material it is requiring. As we move on, we are going to see all these options in detail and how they are going to be worked. Now just click over it and it's flying. One little ribbon is available below this command manager. So for now just we are going over through it. You just go and click over here so your part will get zoom to fit. And this is zoom to area, somehow where you have to go and drag your mouse so that area will get into zoom. This is the previous view where you have to go and just click over here and you can go to your previous view. This is the section view where you can cut your part into the section, such as you can, if you want to cut your part into the half and see how exactly it looks inside, so you can go and just make it a section view. This is the view orientation. Just you click over here and you can just make sure that you are looking after into the left view, right view, front view as you want. And this is the top normal view. This is the most important view and shortcut for control it. This is the show item tree. This is just you click on this little arrow and you can see, if you don't want to see any sketches in your part, you can just go and uncheck it. As we move on, we are going to be using all these features and you will get to know in detail. This is the edit appearance where you can just click and add your material with color, add your part with color. These are the options. For now we don't have any part design, so this is the background setting. You can change your background with plain weight or soft light and many more. You can also manage your favorites and have your more background themes. This is the type of the view. If you want your shaded view or ambience view, perspective view, cartoon view, these are the all types of view which you want to see. We will also see this ribbon in detail once we draw our first model. So this is all about launching the SolidWorks. As we move further, we are going to look after each feature one by one. So if you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and also click on bell icon. Thank you.